So I have my 97 Civic in the garage today, and I'm going to be working on the oil pan gasket so down. But we're going to get started on this thing. Alright, so this is what we're working with. You can see all that oil residue. So I'm assuming it's coming from oil pan. I'm not sure why this oil pan has that thing. Maybe an extra guard for it, or someone tried fixing the damage to it, but I'm gonna switch it out anyways, because the whole bottom of this car is just caked. And anything above the oil pan is pretty dry, so. And here I'm just gonna take off the 2 bolts for the exhaust. And I'm also, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and reach to disconnect the O2 sensor. And we just need to remove the headers out of the way so we can get better clearance to be able to remove the oil pan. Here I'm just doing the header bolts. Just sped it up, give you guys a little time lapse because that's just pretty simple. Alright, so I got the exhaust off. Now I just gotta drain the oil. This beat up son of a gun. Oh shit was loose. What if the oil was just fucking coming out of this thing because the thing was loose? Oh fuck, you're gonna make me pee. Just gotta use this handy mallet. Break these dang things loose. Ugh. This one's a lot more loose than the other one. Okay, that's not the right size. Is there a 12er up there, brother? On the gasket, on the valve cover?
On the valve cover?
Yeah. Yeah.
What valve?
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
On the top.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Did you say 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see it. Thank you, sir.
That didn't sound good.
Fuck. I think I broke this thing.
Right, Jay?
Yeah.
Fuck it, throw it away.
It's not even that? What the fuck size is that? It's not.
Fucking sound good.
Is it a 10?
Check out this,
It's not a 10.
this sick ass tail that's coming.
Oh, snap, bro.
That's badass, huh?
That's looking dope. Space freaking age. Can you give me an 11, brother?
An 11?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob. Alright. Here we go. Oh, what did he say? Alright, and here we go. Why is this such a big bolt?
Brother, let's go get ready.
I don't know, I just want to check this one thing. This one little thing. That's funny because I'll looking through all this shit. All you're finding is 11.
This is a 12 right here if you did break it.
No, it's not the size. But that 12 did break.
Did it?
Yes. My muscles.
Don't fucking
My
Don't
muscles.
leave it back in there. Let me get rid of some of these things.
Ah! You know what? It's not an 11 either.
It's a 12. 12. Try
But-
this one. Try this one. Let's try it. Just try it.
This is a 13.
Let's try it here. Just over here.
That's a 13, Jesus.
Try it.
This is a 12. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. But it is. It was.
Damn.
Yeah.
you on 4K too.
It was a 12. You know, we're all human. We all make mistakes, you know, right, guys? Right? Huh?
I was like, nah, you fucked up.
You done goofed.
I'm just kidding.
Oh shit, there's another.
You know how we were talking about almond milk the other day?
Yeah.
I have a fucking box full of almond milk that I have to go through first.
Are you kidding me? This is a different size now.
I bought it before.
No. That's what I hate. I'm working on older cars that people have gone through, ran through.
This just happens. What happens? What do you need? A 10? Try a 10.
I got it. Or maybe it's like that, you know?
Okay, it's out.
So you're gonna just run through them, or what are you gonna do with all that almond milk?
Yeah, I have to on them, bro. They're expensive.
You don't want to buy some almond milk?
Well, it'll give me time to get the stuff to make it.
Yeah.
Which I don't really need a lot. I just need a bottle that doesn't spill.
I told Maritza, I was like, who cares? We drink freaking soda. Like, if we're not gonna stop drinking soda, then like.
Actually, you're recording, so I shouldn't say anything.
It should be for our podcast. Podcast. So Christian said there was a boat missing, but I don't see one. I don't see one missing. They're all there. No. No, they're all there. Oh, fuck, it's tummy, my stomach.
His tummy.
Oh, they're all there. So, okay. That one thing that I was, like, really worried about was to remove that one that needed to be tapped out, but I guess it's not. Or I think he said it's stripped. Something like that. Well, I'll find out. And here it comes. Ta-da! Okay, let's give it an inspection. Take my gloves off for this. Get oil all over my phone. All right. Well, I don't see any tears on that. The gasket that I'm going to put on, it's exactly the same. The only thing I might do is there. I'm going to remove that and then add gasket maker as well, just as they did. But I think it needs on this side. I don't know if it needs it on both sides. It looks like right there in that corner they put it on too. But it still is leaking, so I'm going to clean it off and then do it again. As for parts, if you guys need a exhaust manifold gasket,
Right here's the part number for this one right here. For 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, and 2.0 applications. I like using this. Hasn't failed me. Did it on my K series transmission. When I had to replace the housing on the transmission. Yep, no leaks, no problem. And we're going with this one again, I guess. And that right there is the same for your applications, and then this is the part number. On some safety glasses, I might as well thought I'd throw them on because I'm gonna start scraping down there. But after taking a look at this, it doesn't seem like it had a hole in the pan itself. Or who knows, maybe during the pressure it was just a tiny little leak, but it looks like the gasket was just not working. Either way, I'm gonna try to throw this one on there with the new gasket and hope it works. But just right now, I'm just gonna start scraping at it. Okay, got these at O'Reilly for 2 for $8. I went ahead and got them anyways because I wanted to make sure that there's no residue on the surface. So I'm gonna get back to it, but I already scrubbed most of it off. Paper towels. There we go. So I scrape those edges. That's gonna require the gasket maker. Just gonna spray down with some brake fluid. Gotta get my glasses off for this. Small up brake fluid. Just thing is strong. Lights get up. Switch out gloves for this. I'll try gloves. Okay, so now that's all dry. I'm gonna check make sure it's dry. Let me get that RTV thing. Gasket. And I'm back. So fast forward a few days later, got the new oil pan in. And if you're looking for one, this one was $50. 56 something with shipping and handling. I don't have Amazon Prime, so that's why I think they charged me that. But brand new, as you can see, this one will probably fit because it's different. Yeah, I guess this engine, this B20b, is a little longer. It, I guess, came off of some kind of different car in Japan. I guess it was imported. I don't know. Who knows? But it didn't fit this Ellis pan because
it's shorter. And that one's thicker. So hopefully it'll fit. Gonna bolt it up real quick. Honda Bond. Place it on the spots that it's gonna need it. Oh shit. Someone's pulling up. And oh shit. Oop, right here. Alright. It's gonna hold it in place. Well, I get the new pan. Here's the new pan. And look at that. It actually fits. Let's try. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna hand tighten a few just to hold it in place. Now, I just gotta torque it to, we'll torque it to 6 pounds. Here we go. First one torqued. There we go. Number 2. Okay. There we go. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Alright, so the second time around, it is 9 foot-pounds of torque, and I just put masking tape on the ones that I was torquing down because I lost track. I think I didn't torque down 13 on the other one, and I'm hoping it didn't pinch or anything. But this time I masked every single one I was going through and tightened it down to 9 foot-pounds.